In this video, we are going to make the smoothest zoom transition in Adobe After Effects. Welcome to Cool Kids Creative Lab. Let's dive into Adobe After Effects to learn how to get the smoothest zoom transition. Add your clips to the timeline. Add an adjustment layer. Right-click, click New, then click the adjustment layer. Drag it to the top of the clips. Put the playhead in the middle. And put the playhead 5 frames to the left by clicking the page up. Then press Ctrl and Shift D to cut it. And do the same to the right by clicking the page down. Then press Ctrl and Shift D again. Then delete the extra part of the adjustment layer. Then go to the Edit panel and search for Transform. Then drag and drop it into the adjustment layer. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle. And turn the shutter angle to 360 to get the motion blur. Then keyframe the scale and press U to see the keyframe. Move the keyframe to the beginning of the adjustment layer. And add another one and put it at the end of the adjustment layer. And add one more and put it in the middle and change the scale to 300. Then select all the keyframes and press F9. Then go to the graph editor. Make sure the graph editor is on the speed graph. Then adjust the graph the same as here, to get the smoothest transition. Exit the graph editor and preview the transition. So let's add more spice to it. Go to Effect. Search for Directional Blur. Drag and drop it into the adjustment layer. Change the direction to 90 degrees. Put the playhead in the middle of the clips. Create a keyframe for the blur length. Then put the keyframe at the beginning and one more at the end. Then create another one in the middle and put it to 100. Select all the keyframes and press F9 to make it easy ease. Then go to the graph editor. Make sure the graph editor is on the speed graph. Then adjust the graph the same as here, to get the smoothest transition. Now let's preview it. As you see, we have the smoothest transition in less than 3 minutes. And we are done with this tutorial. If you enjoyed it and learned something new today, please click the like button and share it with your friends. If you want to see more of this kind of video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.